Good morning, students. This is part 3, chapter 9, soil. Today we will learn about soil profile, means layer of soil. Let's start. What is soil profile? Have you ever been to a construction site where fresh digging has taken place? मतलब कहीं पे अगर घर बन रहा है और ज़मीन को खोद करके उसको में गड्ढा बनाया जा रहा है तो आप वहाँ पे जा कर के देख सकते हो विथ योर पेरेंट्स फॉर लेइंग अ फाउंडेशन स्टोन. If it is happening in nearby you, you can see, then you can see 4 layers when earth is dug straight down vertically. तब तुमको वहाँ पे 4 layers of soil दिखाई देगा. These different layers of soil which are visible when a vertical section is cut in land make up the soil profile. Before this, we should do an activity to study the color and texture of soil. Okay. Material required: soil from a garden, a glass tumbler, एक glass लेना है, some water. Okay, only 3 things. Procedure: take a handful of soil, एक मुट्ठी, from garden and breaks its lumps, उसको तोड़ दो, breaks its lumps. Add this soil to a glass tumbler 3/4 filled with water and stir well. थोड़ा सा उसमें डाल करके मिट्टी डाल के and stir well. Let the mixture stand undisturbed for approximately 15 minutes. Sedimentation will occur. Okay, fourth, sedimentation will occur. Right. Observation and discussion. What you observe. Note down your observation. Observe carefully the various layers that have formed due to sedimentation. Do you see any difference in the color and texture of layer? Is there anything floating on the top of the water? In this activity, we will see some layers. The bigger stones or bigger pebbles will sediment at the bottom and the finest will be at the top. If in this soil there is any humus, means any plant, they will float on the surface of the water. Okay. So that activity shows the layers of the soil. You must have observed that the small lump of soil has divided itself into layers according to the size of the particles. Naturally, जो बड़ा होगा वो नीचे होगा, जो छोटा होगा वो ऊपर आएगा. Similarly, soil is made up of different layers formed during soil formation. The layers are referred to as the horizons of the soil. Different layers of soil. This is a picture of layers of soil. First of all, just look at. First, we leave at the topmost of the soil, green part, where a animal is, we can see an animal. There we leave. First part is organic. Organic means plants and animals are found. Then topsoil, then subsoil, then parent material, and last one bedrock, means mostly it is rocks. But it has divided into, first the uppermost layer is zero, या O horizon, loose and partly decayed organic material. A horizon, minerals found there. Next is E horizon, light colored minerals particles. B horizon, accumulation of dry temperate from above, don't know what is written. C horizon, partially parent material. And last one is R horizon, unweathered parent material. Unweathered means जो नहीं टूट सका. वेदर्ड तो वो सी होराइजन, एंड अनवेदर्ड जो नहीं टूटा वो बेड रॉक कहलाता है. बेड रॉक और आर होराइजन. ओके, दिस यू हैव टू लर्न और रिमेंबर, then this will be easy for you to know. Now come to different layers of soil. These layers are A horizon or top soil. Look at this. It will be easier. A horizon or top soil. This is the topmost layer of soil. The uppermost layer is rich in humus and minerals. Humus means plants and animals, and their decomposing materials also. It is also classified as O horizon or organic layer of the soil. Humus formed from dead organic matter in the soil is necessary for the fertility of the soil. Plants के लिए भी humus is very important. This layer is also known as topsoil. You can say A horizon, you can say topsoil. Topsoil is sometimes also classified as E horizon. It means this is divided into O horizon and E horizon. Okay. Being soft and porous, it can absorb and retain water. Topsoil is the home for worms, beetles and rodents. Means all are microorganism, worms, beetles, rodents. Worms in this layer are the friends of farmers. Worms means like earthworm, etc. Second is B horizon or subsoil. Look, this is subsoil. This layer is composed of, this layer also known as subsoil and is rich in minerals. It is hard and compact. Second layer, B horizon or subsoil. Third is C horizon. This is C horizon. Partially parent material. C horizon. This layer is composed of partly weathered rocks with cracks and crevices. Weathered rocks, टूटा हुआ है ये, partly weathered rocks is called C horizon. And fourth one is last one, R horizon or bedrock. This layer called bedrock is made up of parent rock. It is difficult to dig beyond this layer manually. Thus we can say the soil is a mixture of particles from the weathered rocks and humus. Mostly you see weathered rocks, subsoil, topsoil, organic soil means humus, means plants and animals. Okay, these are four layers of soil: A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and R horizon, or you can say topsoil, subsoil, parent material and bedrock. Okay, this is all for today. This is important in soil chapter, layer of soil. So just remember this forever. Okay.